Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward. How to get to Google Docs from Gmail in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone juggling multiple Google apps, this tip will save you time and keep your workflow seamless. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Gmail open in your web browser. You'll see your familiar inbox loaded with emails. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. That's where the magic happens. You'll spot the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of 9 dots, almost like a tic-tac-toe board. Go ahead and click that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing all your available Google apps, like Google Drive, Calendar, and of course, Google Docs. In 2025, this interface might be even more streamlined, but the basics remain the same for easy access. Once the menu is open, scroll through the options or use the search bar at the top of the menu to type Docs. When you find Google Docs, just click on it. Boom! A new tab or window will open, taking you straight to Google Docs where you can create, edit, or collaborate on documents. That's all there is to it. Simple, right? This method keeps everything integrated within Google's ecosystem, making your day-to-day tasks more efficient. If you're on a mobile device, the process is similar. Just tap the Apps icon in the Gmail app. One quick tip. If you use Google Docs a lot, consider adding a shortcut to your browser's bookmarks or customizing your Google Workspace for even faster access. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments what other Google hacks you'd like to see. See you next time.